Hey everyone, Shraddha here. So today I'm going to tell you how to create a page on Facebook. So what you need to do, you can see my desktop right here, like my screen right here. So you can see this. I have just opened my personal profile, and then here you can see my DP profile picture is right there. And from there you can see downside. It's like create new profile or page. Okay, you need to click there. From there you need to decide whether you want to keep it personal or if you want to keep it public. So if it's a company, or if you want to run a page for your products or maybe clothing store or anything, then you need to choose public page. Okay, I'm clicking on public, then click on next. This is the most easiest way, okay, that you can use to create a page on Facebook. Get started. फ्रॉम देयर यू कैन राइट अ नाम, लाइक एनी कोई भी नाम आप सोच के रख सकते हो. जैसे वेन एवर यू आर गोइंग टू क्रिएट अ पेज, ऑब्वियसली आपने पहले से डिसाइड कर रखा होगा कि नाम क्या होगा उस पेज का, और what would be the niche of that page, what will be it all about, description, website, and everything. You will be there, like it will be there in your mind or maybe in docs or anything. So here I'm just writing, maybe if I'm writing, I'm just say, just this is for recording purpose, marketing AI or anything, like you can just name it. Okay, then category we need to decide. If I'm writing marketing, then you can see, is it marketing agency, market research consultant? Then you can see a lot of options are there: internet marketing services, farmers market, fish market, supermarket, convenience. So I'm clicking on advertising or marketing. Okay, and then you can select multiple category. And again, if suppose if I'm saying services, I can just see if it is related to financial service, like you can see. Or maybe again you can write this marketing agency, you can write social media agency, that's it. Okay, you can include more related to the same field that you are going to talk about. Okay, then you can just write your bio, and you need to click on create page. I'm not doing it because it will create a dummy page that I don't want to do it. Once you are creating your page, what you need to do, you just need to set a nice profile photo. So it would be, if it's a company, it would be the logo of the company. Okay, and also for logo, you can just get it done from Canva AI. You can also do it manually. You can just, suppose if it is about AI, then you can just think of something artificial intelligence element, and then if there is a word of your company, so just play with the word along the element of AI or whatever it is. Like it will depend on, if it's financial services, so you can think of money or currency element, and then just think something around it. Maybe you can also play with the words. Okay, so yeah, once you have your logo there, you need to also prepare your, or say make your cover photo for the page. And suppose if you have your presence on LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, then Threads and Instagram, and maybe Medium also is there, Substack is there. So if you are trying to cover multiple platforms, make sure to use the same logo, to use the same cover photo, just that you can just resize the cover page based on the platform. So if it's LinkedIn, just resize it according to LinkedIn cover page, or for Facebook, for Twitter also you can put your backside, say back cover. So you can just do the things accordingly. Okay, once done, then you also, once you'll click on the create page, then they will ask you to add your website details, your phone number, and button also. So for button, either you can just put like visit us or visit website, so then you need to put a website link, or you can also say call us, then you need to put your maybe WhatsApp number also you can put, so that people can just reach out to your WhatsApp account. Or you can also put your say call, like you can just create a call link and then you can do it too. So yeah, that's it for the day. And I have already covered a video for how to create a page on LinkedIn. So this is for how to create a page on Facebook. I hope I'm very much clear about the topic. So yeah, if you face any issue, just let me know. I will try to cover the issue. Okay. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. And if you want me to cover any topic, just let me know. I will be covering that topic too. Stay tuned. Bye. Take care.